Thank you for choosing Trex Landscape Lighting. This video will walk you through the general installation process. Trex offers several different landscape light fixture styles. Mix and match these lights to create your desired effect in any outdoor environment. Trex path lights come in two styles and are ideal to highlight pathways and walkways. Trex well lights are small fixtures that provide uplighting for fascia, walls, and bushes. Use them anywhere you want a subtle highlight. Multifunction lights are versatile fixtures that can be used as a wall wash light, spotlight, path light, and anywhere the installation calls for a wide but bright light source. Trex spotlights are very intense fixtures that utilize a Cree Super LED. They are perfect for lighting trees, walls, and structures. For a more dramatic effect, add more than one spotlight on opposite sides of a structure. The spotlight requires a unique installation. See the spotlight section of this video for more details. Here is a generic wiring layout. Starting at the power source, you have the timer, the transformer, and a 5-way transformer hub. From there, you can attach a step-up transformer for each spotlight and a 20-foot transformer cable that can be run to the location of the first splitter. When designing your installation, plan for the locations of lights, a power supply, and a timer. These should be accessible for service. The transformer is water-resistant but should be kept off the ground, out of standing water, and as protected as possible. The timer must be installed vertically, with the receptacle facing downwards, and must be at least 1 foot from ground level when installed, as per Federal Safety Code height regulations. The timer must be in view of the sun or receive ambient light to function properly. Installing Trex landscape lighting. Always consult local codes before beginning a project. Only use a Trex transformer during installation. The use of any other transformer voids your warranty. When determining placement of lights and lead wiring, pay special attention to the location of the power source. Plan accordingly if you choose to bury wire under concrete or other permanent structures. Place all lights in the desired location. In harder soil conditions, use a 3/4-inch auger with an optional extension to penetrate the surface enough to ensure the fixture is firmly implanted. If a light post needs to be shortened, use a pipe cutter to cut the post. Be careful not to cut the light wire inside the post. Run all wires from the power source locations to the lights on top of the soil, being mindful to leave some slack. The slack will be needed to bury the wire. If you're using spotlights in your installation, attach a 5-way transformer splitter to the transformer. Attach one step-up transformer for each spotlight and run a dedicated wire to the location of each spotlight. If you already have installed Trex deck lighting and have an open port on a splitter, as well as additional capacity on your transformer, you can also simply take a male-to-male lead wire from your deck to the first landscape light location. Connect all lights to wires. Each light includes a female adapter. If the lead wire is not long enough, use the included female adapter and add another wire of the needed length to reach the splitter. Connect all lead wires to splitters and ensure connections, including splitters, fixtures, and power sources, all work properly. Cap off all unused female connections on splitters using the caps provided. You can mix and combine all lights on the same circuit except the spotlight. Check the install guide for the latest spec charts. It is recommended that you preview light placement in the dark to ensure the desired effect is achieved. This is best done prior to burying any wire in case the light placement requires adjustment. Here's a tip for burying wires. Use a flat-bladed shovel and only penetrate the soil 1 to 3 inches. Tuck the wire behind the shovel as you move along. When finished, water the area heavily for several days to heal the soil faster. Once the light, wire, and splitter placement is finalized, work from the light fixtures towards the power source to bury the wire. No more than 1 to 3 inches is required when burying the wire. Congratulations! You've successfully installed your Trex landscape lighting. Thank you for choosing Trex.